morning students. Today class I continue the same exercise 10.3 question number 4. See the question in book. See the question. What is the question? Find the differential equation. See the question number 4. Find the differential equation of the family of curve. Find the differential equation of the family of all the parabolas with the lattice rectum 4a and whose axes are parallel to x-axis. What is the question? Find the differential equation. Find the differential equation of the family of all the parabolas with the lattice rectum 4a and whose axes are parallel to x-axis. Lattice rectum is what? 4a. Axes are parallel to what axis? Parallel to x-axis. Now see formation of differential equation from geometrical problem. Already I read the question. What is the equation of parabola parallel to x-axis? What is the parabola parallel to x-axis? Y square equal to 4x. It is passes through what? Not only the origin. If it is passes through the origin, means y square equal to 4x. This is not passing through the origin. See that one. Passing through what is the lattice rectum? Or lattice rectum is given what? 4a. That is, see the diagram. 2a. This is what? X-axis, y-axis. Parallel to what? H comma k. Passing through the point H comma k with the lattice rectum is what? 2a, 2a. So, for lattice rectum is 4a. See the diagram. This is rightward curve. Equation of parabola parallel to x-axis. That is y minus k the whole square equal to 4a into x minus h. What is the general form? Y square equal to 4ax. Instead of if the straight line passing through the what? Find the differentiating family of the parabola with the lattice rectum 4a and whose axes are parallel to x-axis. Therefore, equation of the parabola parallel to x-axis, not passing through the origin, parallel to x-axis. The parabola is parallel to x-axis. So, what is the equation of the parabola? Y minus k the whole square equal to 4a into x minus h. X minus h. Now differentiate with h and k are what? Arbitrary constant. H and k are what? Arbitrary constant. Now differentiate with respect to x. So what? 2 into y minus k dy by dx is equal to 4a. If you differentiate x become what? 1. H and k are constant, so it will become 0. See that one. X square differentiate to become 2x. That is x square. Differentiate with respect to x. 2 into y minus k dy by dx is equal to, here what? 4a. X is differentiated to become 1. So 4a. So cancel 2 twice on both sides. Cancel 2 on both sides. What happened? Y minus k equal to dy by dx of y minus k into dy by dx of 2a. Now what is the formula? We have uv the whole dash. That is the product rule. U into v dash plus v into u dash. Apply the product rule. Now see that one. This is u, this is v. See, this is u. Y minus k is keep it as u. Dy by dx is keep it as v. So u into v dash u. Y minus k into dy by dx is differentiated to become what? D square y by dx square plus dy by dx is into dy by dx is into, if you differentiate y it will become what? Dy by dx. 2a. If a constant is differentiated, it will become 0. Apply the what rule? Product rule. U into v dash plus v into u dash. Y minus k into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx into dy by dx into y is differentiated to become what? Dy by dx. K is constant to become 0. Now y minus k into d square by dx square equal to dy by dx, dy by dx into dy by dx is dy by dx the whole square. If it goes to right hand side, it will become what? Minus dy by dx the whole square. Now y minus k into minus of dy by dx the whole square. This is product. The product come to the division d square y by dx square. This keep it as equation 3. What is the equation 1? Y minus k the whole square equal to 4a into x minus h. Equations are parallel to x-axis. Keep it as equation 1. After differentiation, differentiate with respect to differentiate with respect to x. That equations keep it as equation 2. Now again second derivative. Again you apply the uv rule. Keep the equation as the 3. Now substitute third 3 in 1, 2. Substitute the third equation in 2. What is the third equation? Y minus k into dy by dx is equal to 2a. Instead of what? What is this one? What is our value? So y minus k. Instead of y minus k, here y minus k. Instead of y minus k, you substitute the value in the value. Third equation is substitute in the equation 2. So y minus k. What is our y minus k value? Minus of dy by dx the whole square by d square y by dx square into dy by dx. You substitute y minus k. Instead of y minus k, substitute the equation 3 into dy by dx is equal to 2a. Now what happened? Dy by dx into dy by dx, the whole square into 1 become what? Dy by dx the whole square. whole cube minus of dy by dx the whole cube equal to 2a into d square y by dx square. See that one. Substitute the third equation into. Now what happened? Minus of dy by dx the whole cube equal to 2a into d square y by dx square. Now 2a into d square by dx square plus a minus become plus a dy by dx the whole cube equal to 0. That is 2a into y double dash. D square by dx square is nothing but what? Y double dash. Dy by dx the whole cube. Dy by dx, this is the first derivative. Y dash the whole cube equal to 0, which is the differential equation of the family of parabola. That is 2a into y double dash plus y dash the whole cube equal to 0 is the differential equation of the family of curve. Next we are going to see the question number 5. See the question 5. Find the differential equation of family of parabola with vertex. Before question is family of parabola with the lattice rectum is 4a and whose axes are parallel to x-axis. Here what is the question? Find the differential equation of the parabola with vertex is what? At 0, minus 1 and having axis along what axis? Y-axis. Before sum is x-axis. Here what? Y-axis. Passing through the vertex. Vertex also given 0, minus 1. So find the differential equation of the family of parabola with vertex is 0, minus 1 and having axis along what axis? Y-axis. See the solution for fifth sum. Equation of the parabola along y-axis. X-axis means what? Y square equal to 4x. Here what? Y-axis. So x square equal to 4ay. What is the formula? X minus h the whole square equal to 4a into y minus k. H comma k. The constant is nothing but given 0, minus. Question itself is given. Passing through the constant. H comma k is nothing but what? 0, minus 1. Substitute instead of h 0. Instead of k you substitute what? 1. We get what? X minus 0 the whole square equal to 4a into y. Minus of minus is nothing but what? Plus 1. So x square equal to 4a into y plus 1. Now x square is a differentiate. Differentiate with respect to x. This equation is keep it as, so after substituting the equation keep it as what? 1. Next now we are going to differentiate the equation with respect to x. X square differentiate will become what? 2x. Here what? 4a into y plus 1 differentiate with respect to x. So x square differentiate it will become what? 2x. Here what? 4a into dy by dx. What is here 1 is nothing but what? 0. Constant 0 where a is the arbitrary constant. The constant is differentiated, it becomes 0. Now substitute 4a equal to, what is our 4a? 4a equal to 2x by 4a equal to 2x by dy by dx in equation 1. What is the, instead of 4a, always find the constant value 4a. Instead of 4a you substitute that 1. What is the substitute in the equation 1? So here what? 4a equal to 2x by dy by dx. That 4a value substituted in the equation 1. Instead of 4a you substitute what? 2x by dy by dx. So x square equal to instead of 4a you substitute what? 2x by dy by dx into y plus 1. Next so this is multiplied. X square into dy by dx is equal to, if 2x into y is 2xy, 2x into 1 is 2x. See here x square into dy by dx equal to 2xy plus 2x. And now divide by x on both sides. So x into dy, if we divide by x on both sides means what happened? X into dy by dx. That is, see here x into dy by dx minus 2y divided by x to become plus 2y plus 2. Plus 2y become what? Minus 2y. Plus 2 become what? Minus 2. So x into dy by dx minus 2y minus 2 equal to 0 is the required differential equation. This is sum is given. Passing through the point is given. It's not given h comma k is arbitrary constant. Before sum h comma k is arbitrary constant. Here given the value for h and k. So your derivative. First you substitute the value. The equation of the parabola is what? X minus h the whole square equal to 4a into y minus k. Instead of h comma k you substitute what? 0 minus 1. After substituting we get the 4a value. If you get the 4a value, substitute again in the first equation. You make the see the calculation part. X square into dy by dx is equal to 2xy plus 2x. Now here all the both the sides divide by x on both sides. So x into dy by x, dx into dy by dx minus 2y plus 2y become minus 2y plus 2 become minus 2 is the required differential equation. Now see the question number 6. Find the, here also the whole x is having, find the differential equation of the family of ellipse, family of parabola, family of circle only. Here see the question number 6. Find the differential equation of the family of all the ellipse having foci on the y-axis and the center is at the origin. Find the differential equation of the family of all the ellipse having the foci on the y-axis and the center is at the origin. So we are going to find the family of ellipse for the differential equation. See the question number 6. Equation of the ellipse is what? At y-axis. If the equation of the ellipse on y-axis is what? X square by b square. The question is given itself. Find the differential family of ellipse having the foci on the y-axis. So equation x-axis x square by a square, y square b square equal to 1. But this is what? Equation of the ellipse in the y-axis is what? X square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. Differentiate with respect to x. X square differentiate to become what? 2x. 2x by b square plus y square differentiate or 2y dy by dx into 1 by a square. Keep 1 by a square constant. Y square differentiate with respect to x means what? 2y into dy by dx into 1 by a square. The constant differentiate to become 0. Afterwards divide by 2. If you divide by 2 on both sides, what happen? X by b square plus so if you 2 cancelled, y by a square into dy by dx equal to 0. So first you differentiate, make equation of the ellipse on the y-axis what? X square by b square. Equation of the ellipse is on y-axis x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. Differentiate with respect to x. X square differentiate to become what? 2x by b square, because b square constant. Y square differentiate what? 2y into dy by dx into 1 by a square equal to 0. Divide by 2. Divide by 2 on both sides to become what? If you cancel 2, say x by b square plus y by a square into dy by dx equal to 0. This is keep it as equation 1. Again second order derivative. Differentiate again. Again differentiate with respect to x. What happened? So 1 by b square. 1 by b square. If differentiate x, it will become what? 1. 1 by b square. If differentiate x, it will become what? 1. 1 by b square into differentiate it will become what? 1. So what happened? Again differentiate with respect to x means what? X become what? 1. 1 by b square plus 1 by a square into, see the UV rule, product rule. So y into if you derivative u into v dash d square y by dx square plus dy by dx into y is differentiated to become what? Again dy by dx. So 1 by b square plus 1 by a square into using u into v dash plus v into u dash. Y keep it y, dy by dx is differentiated to become d square by dx square plus keep it v, dy by dx, y is differentiated to become what? Dy by dx equal to 0. Now 1 by b square plus goes to this second term goes to the right hand side to become what? Minus 1 by a square into y into d square by dx square plus dy by dx the whole square plus goes to the right hand side to become minus. Substitute in equation 1. Instead of 1 by b square, substitute in the equation 1. Find the value of 1 by b square, substitute in the equation 1. So x into, instead of 1 by b square, substitute the value minus 1 by a square, y into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx the whole square into, if we multiply dy by dx whole square plus what? What is the next term? Instead of what is this one? Substitute in equation 1 for the 1 by b square. Remaining value is what? Y by a square into dy by dx. Y by a square into dy by dx equal to 0. So substitute the equation instead of 1 by b square. What we find out? You substitute in the equation 1. 1 by b x into, if we take x common, 1 by b square value substitute in the equation 1. Remaining value is what? Y by a square into dy by dx equal to 0. Now 1 by a square take outside, minus of x into, you keep it inside for x. So 1 by a square minus x into y into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx the whole square plus here also 1 by a square, here also 1 by a square, take 1 by a square, take common, y into dy by dx equal to 0. Now multiply xy minus xy d square y by dx square minus xy d square y by dx square, again what? Minus x into, multiplied minus x in the both the term, minus xy d square by dx square minus x into dy by dx the whole square plus y into dy by dx. This 1 by a square goes to the right hand side, it becomes 0. The 1 by a square goes to 0 into a square is what? 0. What happened? Y into, keep it in the order, y into dy by dx minus xy into d square by dx square minus x into dy by dx the whole square equal to 0. What? Y into dy by dx minus xy into d square by dx square minus x into dy by dx the whole square equal to 0. That is dy by dx is nothing but what? Y dash. Y into y dash minus xy into y double dash minus x into y dash square equal to 0 is the required equation of the ellipse, equation of the family of the ellipse and the foci. See, always we find what 1 by b square constant, I find it, after substitute in the equation 1. Find the 1 by a square in the 1 by a square. Differentiate, you find the 1 by b square value. That 1 by b square is what? Substitute in the equation 1. After arranging the equation, we get the equation of the family of ellipse. Now see the question number 7. Find the differential equation corresponding to the family of curves. Represented by the equation. Find the differential equation corresponding to the family of curve represented by the equation y equal to capital A into e power 8x plus b into e power minus 8x, where a and b are constant. Y equal to, what is the equation of the family of curve given? Y equal to a into e power 8x plus b into e power minus 8x, where a and b are arbitrary constant. Now see here, one more time I read the question. See the question. Find the differential equation corresponding to the family of curves represented by the equation y equal to a into e power 8x plus b into e power minus 8x, where a and b are arbitrary constants. See the question number. So what is the solution for 7th one? Given equation. What is the given equation? Y equal to a into e power 8x plus b into e power minus 8x. This is the given equation. Keep it as 1. Differentiate y with respect to x. So if you differentiate dy by dx is equal to 8. E power 8x. E power mx differentiate what? M into e power mx. What is the constant? Come to the product. Similarly 8 into e power 8x having the a as itself. So e power mx differentiate what? M into e power mx. Similarly, e power 8x differentiate what? A into e power 8x already having a constant. Similarly, e power minus 8x differentiate what? Minus 8 into e power minus 8x already having the b constant. Plus into minus become minus. Differentiate again with respect to x. D square y by dx square, second derivative. Again, e power mx is what is the formula? E power mx is m into e power mx. Similarly, what? 8 into 8. 8 into 8 is what? 8 into 8, because e power mx is m into. Similarly 8 8s are 64. A into e power 8x. Here what? Minus into minus become plus 64. 8 8s are 64. B into e power minus 8x. Therefore you take 64 is taken as common. 64 so you take common. A into e power 8x plus b into e power minus 8x. Using in 1. What is the equation 1? Instead of y, instead of a into e power 8x plus e power b into e power minus 8x is what? Keep it as y. So what? 64y. So d square y by dx square equal to 64y using the equation 1. This is the required equation of the differential equation, the curve of the differential equation. See the 8th question. Find the differential equation of the curve represented by xy equal to a into e power x plus b into e power minus x plus x square. Find the differential equation of the curve represented by xy equal to a into e power x plus b into e power minus x plus x square. Solution. What is the given equation? Xy equal to, what is the given equation? Xy equal to a into e power x plus b into e power minus x plus x square. This is xy equal to. So plus x square become what? Minus x square. So this plus x square term become minus x square. Xy minus x square equal to a into e power x plus b into e power minus x. This is equation. Keep it as equation 1. Differentiate with respect to x. So you apply the UV product rule. UV x into dy by dx plus y into, if you differentiate x, it will become what? 1 minus x square differentiate, it will become what? 2x. That is x into dy by dx. This is what? X u into v dash, x into dy by dx plus y into, if x is differentiated, it become 1 minus x square differentiated, it become what? 2x. So what is our e power x? E power x differentiate e power x. E power minus differentiate what? Say a into e power x differentiate e power x. A into e power x. See my e power minus differentiate what? Minus of b into e power minus m into x. E power mx different m into e power mx. Similarly the minus goes to that product, minus of b into e power minus x. Again differentiate with respect second derivative. Differentiate again with respect to x. So x into d square y by dx square plus x into This again you differentiate the UV rule. X into d square by dx square plus dy by dx into x is differentiated to become what? 1 plus what? Dy by dx minus 2 into if x is differentiated to become what? 1. Similarly for right hand side, a into e power x differentiate e power x. B into e power minus into minus become plus b into e power minus x. Minus into minus become plus b into e power minus x. So what is the second derivative? X into d square by dx square, UV method, u into v. See, UV method, uv. X into d square by dx square plus dy by dx into x is differentiated to become 1. If next what? So what happened? So u into v dash, y is differentiated to become what? Dy by dx minus 2 into x is differentiate what? 1. A into e power x is differentiate e power x. E power minus x differentiate minus of e power minus x, already having one minus sign. Minus into minus become plus. Now x into d square by dx square plus y dy by dx plus dy by dx is nothing but what? Twice, 2 times of dy by dx. Dy by dx plus dy by dx is 2 times of dy by dx minus 2 equal to what? Xy minus x square. Why we write xy minus x square? Because what is the equation 1? Equation 1 is what? Xy minus x square equal to a into e power x plus b into e power minus x. Instead of a into e power x plus b into e power minus x, write as what? Xy minus x square. Xy minus x square. Now x into d square by dx square plus 2 into dy by dx plus xy become what? Minus xy. Minus x square become what? Plus x square. Minus keep it as itself. So what is the final step? The same. The plus goes to the minus, minus become plus. So this is the nothing but what? Required equation of the differential equation. X into d square by dx square plus 2 into dy by dx minus xy plus x square minus 2 equal to 0 is the required equation of the differential equation. Thank you, students.